evening, and
Good evening.
nice to meet you.
And you?
What is your name?
My name is Paul.
Paul, how do you do? And
Very well, thank you.
what is your name?
Robert.
Robert, how do you do, Robert? And you, sir, with the hair, what is your name?
Coiffure. Oh, good evening. My name's Gary. Jolly nice to meet you, Nicholas.
Jolly nice to meet you
nice.
too, Gary.
Very nice.
And finally, you, sir.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, my name's Witham.
Witham.
Yes, Witham.
How do you spell that, Witham?
Witham.
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 Well, thank you very much for joining us here in the heart of London, Soho. First, if I could start with you, sir. I've been told that King Kurt are a very messy band. Could you confirm or deny this rumour?
Well, no comment. I've been told by my press officer that doing these live interviews as such, you're not allowed to say certain things that might happen or might not happen on stage.
Allowed to incriminate.
Well, they might incriminate ourselves, you see, and the police have all authority to press charges.
Well, I might ask one of the other band members about the fact that you have baked beans on stage and lots of foam, and you tend to...
Caviar, actually. Caviar.
And champagne.
We have, of course, moved up into the world, into the bracket of the rock and roll superhero, and, of course, we can now afford caviar and quail's eggs.
But you did start with baked beans, did you not?
No, petit pois.
Well, and
Tell me about the baked beans.
the baked beans. That was when we were rather poorer than we are now, of course.
That was when we only
When
owned
we were in the gutters, and we were using jumbo baked beans and things like that. Rather coarse and common.
Now, when you first started, gentlemen, did you find it difficult to be signed by a major record company? Because after all, your looks are somewhat different from other bands. May I ask you, sir, with the electric haircut?
Well, I don't know. We just sort of wandered around and took the best offer coming. I mean,
Oh, yes.
It only took 2.5 years.
2.5 years?
Yes.
That's not bad, really.
Yeah.
Tell me about your gramophone records. You had a fair amount of success with something called Zululand?
Destination Zululand, yes, that went into number 36 in the charts. We were on top of the pops, and we've played all around the country because of it now.
Now, I should explain to our audience that Top of the Pops is a television show in this country, very, very popular. Lots of bands would give their right leg to be on this programme. I see that you all gave your left. How did you feel actually being on this most auspicious programme? Prestigious, I should say.
Wide-eyed and left legless, I'd say.
Well, I wish you luck with tonight's broadcast, live from London. King Kurt, thank you very much indeed. And now, let's hear King Kurt in action. Thank you.